Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina, I'm part of the magicplan team, and today I would like to introduce you to one of our new exciting features, the custom forms. The way it works is very easy. You will have form templates that can be created in the magicplan cloud. You'll then find the forms in the detail screens in the magicplan app, where you can fill them with the needed information. And the result will be displayed in the report PDF. In the cloud, you will find a list of all forms. Here's an example of the form you just saw. This form has different sections and questions. You can also see that this form was applied to the project. This setting lets you control in which detail screen a form will be displayed in the app and report PDF. You can also select project floors, rooms, and objects. So, if a form was applied to a specific object only, you'll see it in the detail screen when you select that specific object. Let's have a look at this form that I've been working on. You can see two sections already, client information and inspection information. Let's add a third section. I want this section to be about air conditioning. Let's add a question about the cooling system. On the right, you can select what kind of question this will be. I will go with the option list. The first option will be split system. Now I will add some more. Let's add another question about the power type. I will add two options. The third question will be about the unit condition. This will be another option list with either good or bad. Now I want to add some logic to this question. Logic questions are available for yes, no questions and option lists. If the condition is bad, I want a new question to appear so I can enter a comment. You can add as many questions to this logic as you like. So now I created a new section with 3 questions. Now I will go ahead and save. The form is set to appear on project level. To be able to see the form, I will need to publish it first. This will give me and all members in my workspace access to this form in the app. If I go back to the forms list, I can see that my form was published to my workspace. In the app, you will notice a red dot that has appeared on the profile icon. This means there are updates available for my workspace configuration and I need to update. If you're accessing an existing project, you will need to manually apply the changes if you want the form in this project to be updated. Now, when I access the project and tap on the details icon, I can see my new form. If I scroll down, I can see the section I just created. I will go ahead and enter some details. Since the condition is bad, the comments field appears. Now all I need to do is use the Files and Sharing section to export my report PDF. Voila, your custom form is done.